Today, I'm going to walk you through how to stabilize shaky video footage right inside CapCut on your PC. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn those wobbly clips into smooth, professional-looking videos. No more distracting camera shake, whether you filmed on your phone or a handheld camera. Let's jump in and get started. First up, open CapCut and import the video you want to stabilize. Once it's in your project, you'll want to select your video clip on the timeline. Now, you might be asking, why do I need to select the clip first? Well, this tells CapCut exactly which footage you want to work on. Think of it like highlighting a paragraph before you edit it in a word processor. Make sure you click right on your video in the timeline so it's highlighted. With your video selected, you'll want to look over to the right side of CapCut's interface. You'll see a panel there. This is where most of your editing magic happens. Find the section labeled Video, and then click into Basic. This area holds all your essential editing tools, including the stabilizer we'll be using today. If you ever feel lost in CapCut's menus, just remember, most video adjustments start here in the Basic panel. Now, scroll down in this panel until you spot the checkbox for Stabilize. Sometimes it's a bit lower down, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Just take a moment to slowly scroll, and you'll get there. When you see Stabilize, go ahead and check that box. What you're doing here is telling CapCut to begin analyzing your footage and work out how it can smooth out the bumps and shakes. This process is a bit like putting your video through a digital gimbal. CapCut figures out which frames are jumping around and helps steady them out. It might take a few moments for CapCut to process this, especially if your video is on the longer side, so just be patient. I like to use this time to grab a sip of coffee and let my computer do its thing. Once you've enabled stabilization, you'll notice there's a drop-down menu labeled Level right next to it. Click on that, and you'll see three options: Recommended, Minimum Cut, and Most Stable. These are basically different strengths of stabilization, depending on how shaky your footage is and the look you're going for. Let's break those down a bit. Recommended is like a balanced middle ground. CapCut does enough to smooth things out, but doesn't go overboard. This is great for clips that just need a little touch-up before they look good. Minimum Cut is lighter. CapCut tries to fix only the worst shakes, which is ideal if you want to keep as much of your original framing as possible. And then there's Most Stable, which applies the strongest stabilization. It's perfect for those really wobbly handheld shots, but keep in mind, it might crop your video a bit more to compensate. If you're not sure which to choose, start with Recommended, preview it, and adjust from there. Don't worry, you can always switch and see which works best for your particular clip. That's it. You've just stabilized your video in CapCut. Give your clip a quick playthrough and see how it feels. Notice how much smoother the motion looks now? If you're happy with the results, you're ready to export your video and share it anywhere. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. Drop any questions or tips you might have in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and helping out. And if you want more easy guides like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.